godo. Nyaka gie sani nyako Ramogi wachako adhiane achiel kachiel nyaka od bura mar senet kama komiti no dhi nyime kod chenro mag owinjore to gin ang'o gini ma dhi nyime gi timore gie sani.
Or did you not make the utterances? We will deal with their meanings. As a matter of fact, the chair assured us they even have Kimeru interpreters. So I'm not even interested in the meaning. I'm only interested in, did you make those utterances recorded on the video? Either you did or you didn't. Which will you take?
I repeat again, I made utterances based from the residents of that area, those that demanded their leader, the MCA, to apologize before he goes on to speak.
Chair, so that my time is not wasted in the altercation with the witness, I'm inviting you to note the witness is not answering the specific question I'm asking, which is whether the video is a depiction of utterances she made. The witness is obsessed with the implications of the utterances or their meaning, which is not my question.
Let us try and avoid that condemnation of the witness. Maybe because you want to get an answer, try and re-paraphrase your question. As you said, if a lawyer like you, who is schooled in English, admitted that it is a foreign language, how about her? We don't know her professional background.
Did you ask the crowd at Mwerong Kanga whether the Honorable Idili should apologize?
First, after the residents said that
Please answer my question. Did you ask the crowd?
Yes, I asked.
Good, you asked. After the first gentleman accused the senator and the MP Tigania East in your presence of sending you certain SMSs as per the video, when you rose to the podium, did you disown the sending of the alleged SMSs?
In meetings that I attend, there are so many speakers, and it is not my duty to go on disowning every speaker's
Your husband, sorry again, Chair. I'm sorry. Thank you. Chair, let's take it as a slip of the tongue. The first gentleman accused the Honorable Cabinet Secretary and the Honorable MP for Tigania East of sending you certain SMSs making extortionist demands. When you took to the podium, did you correct those assertions? Either you did or you didn't. Which one will you take?
First gentleman is a grown-up man.
That's not my question.
Order, Madam Governor. You must answer questions the way you've been asked. He did not ask for that storytelling which you are starting. He wants yes or no.
I did not disown.
You did not disown.
Ramogi bura mar Kawira Mwangaza pod dhi nyime ka kineno thuolo machuok